This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off this lock screen on your Samsung phone. So if you got like a pin or something like that, if you don't want this on anymore, it can be kind of confusing to turn it off, because if you go to settings and you go to lock screen right here, there's no options to turn it off. Actually there is now, so maybe that's good they added that. But before, you had to go to security and privacy and then set the lock screen right here. So you can look at those two different spots, but all you have to do is switch to none. So if you switch this to none, you will completely turn it off. So most of the time I just say go to the swipe function. So you got to at least do one movement to unlock your phone, just a swipe like that. That's going to prevent butt dialing someone or something like that, or moving apps and stuff around in your pocket. So just go to those two options on your Samsung phone, and it looks like they made it a lot easier and less confusing. So hopefully if you just go to lock screen here on the top, before this wasn't here. So very easy now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.